Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with numbers in Google Sheets and wish there was a way to guarantee folks only enter valid numeric values, like quiz scores, survey points, or grades, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this quick lesson, you'll know exactly how to set up number validation in Google Sheets, so your data stays clean and accurate without constant oversight. Let's dive right in. Let's say you're tracking quiz scores for a class. In column A, you have your students' names, John Smith, Mario Lopez, David Cruz, and a few more. Column B is where you want to store their scores. Now, you want to make absolutely sure that any score entered is a real number and, more importantly, that it falls between 1 and 100. This kind of validation keeps out typos, impossible scores, and accidental letters, so you can trust your calculations down the line. Here, how to do it step by step. First, go ahead and select the cells where your scores will go. In our example, that's the range B2 to B8. Just drag to highlight those cells next to each student's name. It's best to select only the range you need so you're not affecting unrelated data elsewhere in your sheet. With those cells highlighted, head up to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down, select Data Validation. This is the key feature we'll use to control what gets entered into those cells. Now on the side panel or pop-up that appears, click the plus Add Rule button if it's not already showing you the options. You'll see a condition section. This is where the magic happens. From the condition drop-down, pick Is Between. You'll notice two boxes appear. Here, type 1 in the first box and 100 in the second. This tells Google Sheets to only allow numbers from 1 up to 100, no more, no less. You'll see an option called Reject Input. I highly recommend you check this box. What does it do? With Reject Input on, anyone who tries to enter an invalid score, maybe by accident, like typing 101 or -5, will be blocked right away with a clear warning. This proactive block saves you from fixing errors later on, which can be a lifesaver in big spreadsheets. There's also a spot to add help text, and this is really worth doing if other people use your sheet. You can type something like, enter a number between 1 and 100 only. This little reminder will show up if someone tries to enter a score outside the allowed range, so there's no confusion about what's expected. Once you're happy with the settings, click Done to finish. The rule is now active. You've just made your score column error-proof. Now let's test it out so you see exactly what your users will experience. Try typing numbers like 1, 55, or even 100 into the score cells. They'll go in just fine, no problem at all, but let's get brave and type 101. Right away, Google Sheets will pop up a message telling you this entry isn't allowed. It works the same if you try to leave it blank, type a word, or input something wild like 999. The validation rule has your back. And that's it. Setting up numeric value validation in Google Sheets is that simple, but it'll make your spreadsheet so much more reliable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical spreadsheet tips delivered right to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.